That gap between what your brain decides and what you consciously experience isn't a glitch. It's how you're designed. And it's just the beginning of how extraordinary the organ inside your skull truly is. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. If you laid every one of those neurons end to end, the line would stretch nearly 600 miles. But the neurons themselves aren't the real story. Each one can connect to up to 10,000 others, meaning the total number of synaptic connections in a single human brain may exceed 100 trillion. That's more connections than there are stars in 1,000 Milky Way galaxies. And yet, this architecture, arguably the most complex structure ever documented, runs on roughly 20 watts of power, less than a dim light bulb. Here's what's stranger. Your brain is approximately 75% water, and it never actually stops working. Even during deep sleep, it remains profoundly active, consolidating memories, clearing metabolic waste through the glymphatic system, and processing the day's experiences. Sleep isn't rest for the brain, it's maintenance. The brain also has no pain receptors whatsoever. Surgeons can, and do, operate on a conscious brain while the patient converses with them. The organ that registers every ache in your body cannot feel pain itself. But even more surprising is this: the brain's storage capacity is estimated at approximately 2.5 petabytes. That's 2.5 million gigabytes, enough to hold roughly 3 million hours of video. You will never fill it in a single lifetime. And yet the most jaw-dropping fact of all may be this: every time you learn something new, your brain physically rewires itself. Neurons that fire together, wire together. A skill practiced today literally reshapes the brain's structure, a phenomenon called neuroplasticity. The brain given to you is not fixed. It is, by its very design, built to grow. In the words of neuroscientist David Eagleman, the brain is the most complex thing we have yet discovered in our universe, and it was placed by the Creator's design exactly where it needs to be, at the center of everything you are.